Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start immediately by prepping materials and marking your pattern. You need accuracy here because fit depends on it. Lay net flat, align grain line, and transfer pattern pieces. Once done, cut slowly with sharp scissors to avoid fraying and clip notches. Make sure to add 1/2 seam allowance and label pieces. You'll also prepare lining pieces and interfacing where needed. This saves time later and prevents rework when assembling the jacket. Now you assemble the body. Pin shoulder seams, then stitch with a narrow seam and press open. This stabilizes net fabric. Once shoulders are set, sew side seams and set sleeves into armholes, easing fabric as you go to avoid puckers. Make sure to grade seams so layers lie flat. After outer shell is assembled, construct lining the same way and attach at collar and hem, leaving a 6 opening to turn. Once turned, top stitch to secure edges and close the opening. Finish the jacket by stabilizing edges and installing closures. You want clean results. First, top stitch hems with a narrow zigzag to prevent tear out on net, and reinforce zipper or hook areas with interfacing before sewing. Once closures are in, trim stray threads and steam press gently. Net melts under high heat, so keep low. Make sure to test fit and move your arms to confirm mobility. If seams pucker or fabric tears, unpick the area. Add a narrow strip of line.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.